Kani kadega Batesi TV, bat pidang pet yaki kubor baman kasni, balawan rasha pi da ka Orange Nissan, lom so po niya Fabricate Shillong, ringkat bat ka BDW International School Nongmansong, Langkarding Shillong. Admissions open now.
Rengkat lang bat kari barok away ke Jylla Meghalaya ha ka arpun rew tarik ukelan kot arjar arpo kala Rakhe ya ka Republic Day ka bah nyof voisnem. Hanong ba Shillong Menteri Rambak ke Jylla Konrad K Sangma ulapan her ya ka lama lairong jong kari bat shimru ya ka salut kat ba ki kunhon baper kidang yait March pass ha ka jing Rakhe ka balalong Hamadan Polo Shillong. Hagani gasngi Menteri Rangba Ula Samru ia ka khusnam Utirot Singh Award for Art and Literature balayo rado ba Pradeep Kurba barhau Dominic Megam Sangma. Ia ka khusnam Patogan and Sangma Award for Social Services syau Brother Joseph Kolanguil. Bad ia ka khusnam Ukyang Nangba Award for Sports syau ba Tlanding Walang. Hadian kani Menteri Rangba Ula Samru ia ka khusnam Kayal Cup Award syau William Nagar Civil Hospital bat syaka Ampati Civil Hospital kuntupru ia ka Mauplang bat Soyong Community Health Center bat ia ka Lairang O Lailengkot bat Mausaho Primary Health Center. Hagani gasngi la Samru ia ka khusnam President's Police Medal for Distinguished Service syau ba Rikid Khar upalong Deputy Inspector General of Police SB Security Special Branch. Ia ka Police Medal for Meritorious Service la ay syaki arngut ki pulit bakantup ia Balchan Mishra bat hau ba Lambok Shadap. Kat ba ia ka khusnam Fire Service Medal for Meritorious Service la ay syau ba Aljwin Rani bat yau Anith Marak. Shusho hakani ka jing Rakhe ya ka Republic Day lapun kup buramru da ka khusnam Governor's Police Medal yau ba Jeffrey W. Lingdo ubalong Deputy Superintendent of Police ya ka Kongkwini AB Fangkan kabadai ka Assistant Commandant jong ka kunhon ki pulit SF-10 ya laingut ki Police Inspector ki bakantob uba L. Khar uba BV Kongwir bad uba Coming Stars 10. Dagane ka khusnam lapun kup buramru ya u Lake Bahadur Chetri u Sulaman Sangma u Benjamin L. Mar bad ya u Amarjit Kumar Rai. Kabakam kring shushu ya ki pajba ki balasaki ya ka jing Rakhe ya ka ni ka Republic Day kadai ka jingpin i ya ka tabut balashna da katanat Department of Information and Public Relations katanat Social Welfare katanat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary katanat Public Health Engineering katanat Soil and Water Conservation katanat Agriculture Horticulture Forest and Environment katanat Fisheries katanat District Task Force jong East Khasi Hills bat ka office jong Chief Electoral Officer.
Following the contingent of the Border Security Force and arriving at the saluting dice is the contingent of the Central Reserve Police Force under the command of Sub-Inspector Shashank Shahu. And participating as a part of the Interstate Exchange Program is the 6th India Reserve Battalion from Manipur, led by Mohammed Ziauddin Ahmed. Ladies and gentlemen, following the contingent of the 6th India Reserve Battalion and taking salute is today's second-in-command, Inspector Rajan Borloy, and leading the District Executive Force of Meghalaya Police under the command of ABSI Thom Bahadur Vishwakarma. Following the District Executive Force Shillong and lined up at number 6, we have the 1st MLP Battalion led by ABSI SB Momin. dais and taking the salute now is the MLB football team contingent led by ABSI J.R. Marak. Following the MLB football team contingent and approaching the saluting dais to take the salute is the NCC boys contingent led by Senior Under Officer Sankupar Jylla. Following the NCC boys contingent and taking the salute now is the NCC girls contingent under the command of Senior Under Officer Yarisa Kharboy. And finally, ladies and gentlemen, the final contingent of the Bharat Scouts and Guides taking the salute, led by its commander Shaibani Mensori.
Our guests may like to take note of the youngest participant amongst today's contingent from the Bharat Scouts and Guides contingent, 11-year-old Ms. Nabala Aihun Marsharing from Class 7 of Hillcrest Secondary School.
My fellow citizens, we are at the start of a new year and a new decade. I want to lay out the broad vision and the plan of the government for the overall development of the state in the short, medium and the long term. Our vision 2030 is to transform Meghalaya into a high-income Indian state and to improve the well-being of every single citizen of the state. Our vision has 6 core pillars. First, the human development. Second, primary sector rejuvenation. Third, infrastructure expansion. Fourth, entrepreneurship promotion. Fifth, environmental protection. And sixth, governance reform. A lot of work has happened on each of these pillars in the last 2 years, and we have a clear plan to move forward in the next 3 years, and we are building on our strengths and overcoming the challenges. One of our greatest strengths is our youth. 75% of Meghalaya's population is below the age of 34, and 37% is in the age group of 15 to 34 years. We understand that this huge resource needs to be empowered with quality, education and skills so as to realize their full potential. Accordingly, a lot of emphasis is being placed on secondary and higher education, on skill development and on entrepreneurship. In secondary education, Eklavya model residential schools are planned to be set up in all the blocks of the state. 11 such schools are already sanctioned at a cost of 24 crores each, and land has been identified for the construction of these schools, and DPRs are under preparation. Many other initiatives are also being planned for higher education. Of particular importance is the idea of community colleges. These community-managed institutions will provide higher education at the doorstep of rural population with financial support from the government. We are also skilling our youth under various programs, including the Asian Development Bank funded Supporting Human Capital Development in Meghalaya project. We recently implemented a very unique soft skill development program called Aspire Meghalaya, where about 5,000 youths from across the state have been trained. These soft skills improve the confidence level and communication abilities of the youth. We are expanding this program to cover more youth this year. Another targeted initiative is the Chief Minister's Civil Service Fellows Program. Under this program, comprehensive civil service coaching is being provided at Shillong and Tura to about 200 youth annually. These youths are selected through an open competitive exam conducted across the state. Two of the Chief Minister's Civil Service Fellows, Ferdinand Karbudan and Wankrao Karbuni, cleared the UPSC prelims last year. Our aim is that at least half a dozen of our youth should enter the All India or Central Services in the next 2 years. The largest youth-focused initiative in the recent past is the Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge, which is again an open competition to select business ideas. About 700 youth of the state applied for the first such challenge last year, from which Meghalaya's top 100 ideas were selected. The selected e-champions were facilitated at a grand function held on Meghalaya Day at Shillong this week. The competition showcased the entrepreneurship spirit of our youth. We are proud of our winners, like Crispil K. Sangma from West Garo Hills, who started a waste management enterprise with a mere sum of ₹500. And Badal Nyalang from East Khasi Hills, who owns a social media marketing firm. Some of the e-champions have also ventured into IT sector, and a notable name here is that of Geneva Dowling from East Khasi Hills, who started a firm that aids in strategic decision making. The Chief Minister's E-Championship Challenge will henceforth be conducted annually to identify Meghalaya's top 100 ideas. In addition to the top 100 ideas, we also want to reach out to and support all the entrepreneurial youth of our state. Hence, we launched a comprehensive enterprise promotion program called PRIME, which stands for Promotion and Incubation of Market-Driven Enterprises. Under this program, all three categories of entrepreneurship, number 1, startups, number 2, nano, and number 3, livelihood categories, will be incubated in a systematic way. Enterprise incubation centers called Prime Hubs will be set up in all districts and block headquarters. These hubs will be managed professionally and will be vibrant spaces for innovation and knowledge sharing. The first Prime Hub at JN Sports Complex, Shillong, has been inaugurated this week. I dedicate the hub to all the entrepreneurs of the state. This will be a space for our entrepreneurs to engage with mentors, investors, funders, and market players. The hub also has some co-working space that entrepreneurs can hire at a nominal price. Our mission is to create such spaces and connections across the state so that a true entrepreneurial ecosystem can emerge. We are also designing a funding program to support entrepreneurs, and a fund of ₹10 crores has been created for this purpose. I believe that entrepreneurs will be the key driver of growth and employment in the coming years for our state. The sectors with the greatest natural and competitive advantages are, number 1, high-value agriculture, number 2, high-end ecotourism, and number 3, new age industries like music and fashion. We all know our state is blessed with diverse agroclimate zones, which enable us to grow a range of high-value agriculture, horticulture, and floriculture items, including Lakadong turmeric, honey, oranges, strawberries, and flowers like anthurium and chrysanthemums. Various initiatives have been taken to improve the production, productivity, and marketing of these produce. The Lakadong mission, the jackfruit mission, and the mushroom mission have been launched to systematically promote growth and value addition in these particular crops. To promote marketing of our products, we have launched an online platform, the Megha Mart, which will facilitate the sale and purchase of products sourced from local entrepreneurs. This version of Amazon for made in Meghalaya products will open up global markets to our entrepreneurs and artisans. Another huge opportunity is in the food processing industry. To further this agenda, the Northeast Food Show 2019, a mega food processing event, was organized by the state government for the first time in December 2019 at Shillong in partnership with the Sial Group. The event saw the participation of industry exhibitors, international trade delegations, major hotel chains, retailers, superstores under the banner of the Forum of Indian Food Importers, Purchasing Professional Forum of India, and renowned chefs under the aegis of Indian Culinary Forum. A number of new products and brands were launched and made their debut in the show, like vegan meat and locally made fruit wines. Sales and agreements worth about 24 crores were signed during that event. This event has put Meghalaya on the world culinary map. We will continue this momentum and make food tourism and food processing part of the agri-horticulture agenda.
Ladies and gentlemen, next up is the tableau presentation by Meghalaya. The State Election Department undertakes a comprehensive set of activities
to come forward and enroll to make SSR 2020 a success.
to strengthen democracy in our state.
Approaching next, we have the tableau of the Soil and Water Conservation Department Territorial Division in schedule the team that has been charged with guide management that contributes to the emergence of springs. The Soil and Water Conservation Department has put forward this
with the key, rice, the grain that feeds the rich and the poor. This tableau of the Agriculture Department depicts the importance of rice cultivation as a staple food of the state. The different varieties of rice grown in the district make possibilities.
These passages with the theme Organic Farming for Healthy Family, Healthy Environment and Sustainable Income. The tableau of the District Horticulture Officer, East Passengers.
Next, we have the tableau of the Office of the Divisional Forest Officer, Social Forestry Division, East Khasi Hills, with the theme, A Healthy Environment, A Healthy Planet. Ladies and gentlemen, the tableau of the Divisional Forest Officer, Social Forestry Division, East Khasi Hills District.
Ladies and gentlemen, we next have the tableau of the District Task Force of Social Welfare, East Khasi Hills, with the theme, Beti Bachao, Beti Padhao program. Let us join hands and try to give our girl children an opportunity of going to school and opportunity to be equal partners. Ladies and gentlemen, the tableau of District Task Force, East Khasi Hills.
Ladies and gentlemen, can we have a big round of applause for all 11 candidates between the various efforts being made by the various departments of the government of Meghalaya.
Down.